I started a brand new YouTube channel from scratch and skyrocketed to 1,000 subscribers in under 30 days. But here's the wild part. Just 30 days later, we're sitting at 7,000 subscribers and counting. Most YouTubers will tell you it takes 1 to 2 years of grinding out videos to see any real growth. That might have been true back in 2018, but in 2024, things are different. There's a new wave of channels blowing up, racking up hundreds of thousands of subscribers in mere months. And guess what? They all follow a specific, step-by-step strategy that I'm about to reveal to you for free. Imagine consistently getting 10,000 plus views on every video and hitting 1,000 subscribers within the next 30 days, without years of experience, genius IQ, or a pile of cash to invest. To reach your first 1,000 subscribers, you need around 25,000 views. Most YouTubers average between 100 to 1,000 views per video, meaning it could take you 25 to 250 videos to get there. But what if I told you there's a faster way? The trick is to boost your average views per video. There's a secret sauce that big YouTubers use to ensure their videos go viral, and you can use it too. This strategy is usually kept behind closed doors in private WhatsApp groups or shared only among close friends. Once you grasp this strategy, you'll outsmart the algorithm by creating proven, high-engagement videos. Just like our act, Mr. Beast and Jack Gordon did with their viral hits. Here's how to get started. Head to the YouTube homepage, type a keyword into the search bar. Let's take Mr. Beast's train vs giant pit video as an example. His keywords are train and giant pit. Sort by train and check the view count. You'll see a video with 163 million views in just 2 years. Compare it with Mr. Beast's video, and you'll spot the similarities. Next, search for dirt bike. The top image is eerily similar to a video by R. Finally, look up bicycle and find a match with Jack Gordon's content. All the big YouTubers are doing this. And if you apply this method to your videos, you'll never see a 10 out of 10 again. You'll be able to consistently model proven videos and go viral, boosting your average views and hitting 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. But remember, most people fail because they don't know how to model what works correctly. I spent my first 2 years copying other big YouTubers and saw dismal results. Now, with hundreds of thousands of subscribers across multiple channels, I figured out where most go wrong. Steal like an artist. Copy and paste thumbnails won't cut it. Change at least 2 things about each thumbnail. Use better colors and add new elements like an arrow, your headshot, or text to spark curiosity. There's a critical 5-second window after a viewer clicks your thumbnail to decide whether they'll stay or leave. I've discovered a surefire way to keep them watching. Confirmation bias. If someone clicks your thumbnail, they want to feel they've made the right choice. Your job is to validate that decision immediately. Take a look at Preston Go's channel. His title and thumbnail strategy mirrors what we've discussed, but he takes it a step further. Clicking his video, you'll see the exact same image from the thumbnail, providing instant gratification and hooking viewers past that crucial 5-second mark. Now, to keep them watching, you need a script that holds their attention. Here's a 3-step process to ensure viewers stick around, and if you're still here, it's clearly working. Step 1. Craft a perfect intro. The biggest viewer drop-off happens in the first 30 seconds. If you check your analytics, you'll see the same pattern. The lower we can make this initial drop, the higher we start the average view duration, boosting it by 10 to 20%. That difference can be the deciding factor between a viral hit and a flop. Use this proven intro framework from Colin and Samir. The first line should confirm to the viewer that they are in the right place and the video isn't clickbait. Add social proof to establish credibility. For example, I started this video with, I grew a brand new YouTube channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers in under 30 days. It sets the stage for a video about rapid YouTube growth and shows I've actually done it. Next, introduce new narratives and unclosed loops. Open loops are questions that need answers, creating curiosity. In this video, I mentioned, but in 2024, there's a new type of channel like this, and this getting hundreds of thousands of subscribers in just a few months. Without explicitly asking a question, it makes viewers wonder what makes these channels different. This curiosity keeps them hooked. Finally, set the right expectation for your video's pacing, tone, and style. Most YouTubers think faster is better. Your intro should also establish your singularity. I do this by restating my mission, like helping 1000 YouTubers reach 100,000 subscribers for free. Now you know how to create clickable, engaging videos and keep viewers hooked. Apply these strategies, and you'll see your channel grow faster than you ever thought possible. Check out this video, where I reveal my top ideation strategy to guarantee your next video goes viral. Thanks for watching, and happy growing!